The Brahman shipment is secured. Initiate unloading sequence.
All right, hold it steady. Chains are locked. Check the markings on the third one back.
That's it, easy does it. Nice and slow down the ramp. You're all right.
Keep them moving, clear the gate. Last one coming through, watch the flank.
Washing cycle initiated. Please remain calm during high-pressure sterilization. Gate sequence complete. Proceed to Station 1.
Affirmative. Positioning equipment.
Easy now, big fella. Almost done.
Ready for process now. Bulk shading.
This batch looks good, very few defects.
Yes, the thickness is consistent on these.
แต่cầm cái này các khổ gì này các khổ các thành đá các cô lỗ chùm ra các quay được tạo hỗ trợ sẽ cái đánh đỏ.
This one is flawless.
Yes, the quality is excellent.
We need to adjust the depth on the saddle bore to match the revision on the sheet. Confirmed. I'll recalibrate now.
String spacing confirmed. All measurements are exact.
Did you finish the last batch of mouthpieces?
Yes, they are ready for polishing.
Beautiful. Absolutely perfect.
Look at that finish.
That's sir.
Absolutely perfect. Ready for shipping.
The intonation on the low end is sharp. Try adjusting the bridge tension slightly.
These engravings are perfect. Ready for shipment.
Positioned perfectly. A testament to quality from the product lab.
We need 2 more layers on this side.
Okay, I'll grab the next one.
Looks good from here.
All set.
Received with thanks.
Phát điện phần tổng thản trán sang cóส่วนเกตฐานผ่านจะปราดการละเบดีเซมปวดอายนั่นที่ตนฟงทาพอเด่นฐานจะทาจ้าเจนสิบ
The craftsmanship on this is incredible.
It really is stunning. The polish is flawless. The craftsmanship on this is incredible. Look at the polish.
It really is stunning. The sound must be amazing.
Check out the detail on the inscription.
It's absolutely stunning, isn't it?
Truly a work of art.
Perfect. Another masterpiece ready for shipment from the product lab.
The warm, peaceful silence of the evening. The soft.
I've waited so long for this. The detail is incredible. Just look at that finish.
They really set a new standard for luxury, didn't they?
Absolutely. The texture is just perfect.
As the sun sets, the work continues at the product lab, bringing tomorrow's ideas to light.
Look at the detail on the curve here.
Remarkable. It has such presence.
Another masterpiece from the product lab. Flawless. At the product lab, we believe true progress is found in harmony with the world around us.
It's absolutely stunning, isn't it?
Yeah. The craftsmanship is exquisite.
A new day begins at the product lab, where innovation meets tranquility, creating a future that feels deeply complete.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Educational content generated entirely using AI tools, scripting, voice design, and animations are original AI creations powered by Google AI Studio and VO3. No copyright content or footage has been used, designed for informative purposes only. All visuals are AI simulated and not intended to represent real footage.